Thank you, Grade 1A. That was awesome. Please give them a round of applause. This brings us to the end of this wonderful celebration. We hope you enjoyed the morning. We would now like to welcome Ms. Jo to close the assembly.
Good morning, everyone. Did you have fun? I'm tired just watching all of you. It's amazing. Can we please give all our performers another big round of applause? Really well done. Okay, I would like to say a few thank yous. Firstly, I'd like to say a very big thank you to Lisa and Mew for being our MCs this morning. Didn't they do a wonderful job? Well done, well done. I'd also like to thank, as always, the wonderful Mr. Hung and the maintenance team for setup, breakdown. I think it's on its way back to the NPR this afternoon, so really hard work, and thank you all very much. Anybody else think who else we might want to thank you today? Coming to the mums and dads, but well done, Axel. Yes, mums and dads. Who else? Teachers! All right, I've done an amazing job, not only getting you all ready for this morning, but also for all their hard work and efforts over the years. So a big round of applause for our teachers. And yes, as Axel said, the people behind you are the ones that take care and look after you all the time, and they always come out, and they always support, and they always celebrate everything you do. So can we turn around and give your parents a big round of applause? Thank you, parents. Thank you for always coming out to support, and all your support throughout the year. Now, last Thursday, earliest show, was that last Thursday? It was the earliest show, and I asked the early years if they'd had a good year. And they said, yes. So primary, have you had a good year? I think so. So we were talking about some memories with the early years, what they remembered and what they really, really enjoyed. So have a think. I'm going to come around. If you can tell me, put your hand up, tell me what was the best bit about your year. Have a think. All right, we'll go with Hannah.
The teachers help us a lot, and we get to learn them.
Wow, okay. The teachers help us a lot and you get to learn. It's lovely. Lucy?
Teachers help us to learn so much and give us certificates to make us happy.
Lovely. All right, any other fun memories? Any other fun memories, Tilly?
Having Mr. Jack and Miss Ashley as my teacher.
Okay, teachers are getting a lot of airplay. All right, Edith.
Having fun field trips.
Field trips, yes, we had a lot of fun field trips, didn't we? Sandro?
Having events of swimming competitions.
Swimming competitions. Primary swimmers did very, very well this year. All right, let me come around here. Anything else? Fun, fun, fun. Samar?
Learning and also teaching. They did such a good job in teaching.
All right, Irena?
Making new friends and having fun with them. But sometimes you fight.
Friends, making friends, yes. All right, we'll do one more, Ari.
The sleepover.
Yes, the sleepover. Parents like that one. Parents like that one a lot as well. All right, so lots of fun memories, lots and lots of fun memories. And we are going to finish this school year in how many days? 4 more days. And we've got 4 more days of lots more learning and lots more fun. So you're going to enjoy the last 4 days? That didn't sound very convincing. Are you going to enjoy? Okay, all right. Now, before we go, I understand we have one more thing, right? Do we? I think we do. I think we've got one more song. All right, grade 1 and grade 2, the stage is yours.